Hi everyone. A company advertises on a website. A worker tracked the number of visits to the website and the number of clicks on the advertisement. The table shows the data for several days. A linear function can be used to model the equation. So that's y equals, we're going to use ax plus b. All right. Now, I did this problem with just two values, and then I got close to 83, but it wasn't quite close to 83, so I decided to go ahead and use the calculator. And instead of doing the live stream on the calculator like I usually do, I just took pictures. So let me try to explain how you can do a linear regression with the calculator. So the first thing you want to do is click your stat button if you're using the TI 84 calculator. You'll get this window here, and since the first number is 1, just hit enter. Then you enter your data. This is like your X values. This is like your Y values. Make sure every space is filled in. Then you go back and click the stat button again. So this is step 1 and step 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Then you'll move the cursor to calculate. And then just push number 4. We want a linear regression. They said it was a linear. So then once you get to, once you click number 4, you'll see this window pop up. Scroll down to calculate and then push enter. Now when you do that, you'll get this. So this right here is just y equals 0.05, and if you want to put the 2 there, you could. X, because I'm filling this in, plus b, which is 5.54. Now the question asks how many clicks. If there were clicks, were 500 clicks. So then I inputted that 1,500, so not 500, 1,500 into this X and calculated it and got about 81, which is actually what I got when I just did the first two points given, data points. But anyway, you just go up and round that up to 83 because it's an estimate anyway. So that is your final answer. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.